Introducing the Keratherapy Blowout Arsenal, a proven combination of pro-keratin stylers and finishers that offer the ultimate blowout experience. Define, Shine, and Style Cream adds shine, definition, volume, and light hold. It's ideal for creating polished looks or defined waves to the finished blow dry. It's perfect for styling or enhancing texture. Color Protect enhances the color and creates a shiny finish to the color surface. It helps to seal the color in and offers enhanced protection from color fading and washout. Daily Smoothing Cream gives a smooth, soft finish without buildup. It offers frizz and humidity control and helps deliver a controlled blowout for any kind of curls. Begin by shampooing and towel drying hair before applying the Define, Shine, and Style Cream throughout, distributing through the hair nice and evenly using a brush. You can also cocktail with any Keratherapy styling or finishing product to curate your look. Towel dry the hair before applying heat, using your hands to smooth the hair out to help remove any excess moisture. Make sure that there is no water dripping from the hair before blow drying to reduce drying time and direct heat exposure. Separate the front of the hair from the back to prepare for the drying process. Before blow drying, use your dryer to preheat the Keratherapy Square Thermal Brush. You'll know when the brush is properly heated when the dark bands disappear. Preheating the brush aids in drying the hair, and the square shape of the brush provides more tension and helps to control the amount of volume you create. The size of the barrel matters, because the smaller the barrel, the more likely the hair is to wrap around it, causing the hair to curl more at the ends. Blow dry the hair in small sections. Larger sections take longer to dry and ultimately create more work. Because hair absorbs heat quickly, reheat the brush as necessary. For the part, take an even amount of hair across the part and work straight back. This allows you to get more even results. The end result is a smooth, straight style that can be as big as your clients want it to be.